final kick.
Seventh Australian Open telecast, made possible by ANZ. We live in your world. Panadol relieves, respects, body first. And Optus, the official telecommunications provider of the Australian Open.
First serve percentage really important for Alicia Molik. She's up to 78%, which is very good. It's down in it.